Guys, first time natin gagawin to, unboxing and first impression on outdoors for the TECNO POVA 5. Hawag na natin ngayon the unit, fresh na fresh, and of course kakakuha ko lang. And gusto natin malaman to, ano nga pinagkakaguluhan nitong TECNO POVA 5? Nabalita ko, this has a Helio G99, which is nothing new cheap. Yung ang kanyang presyo is not really that cheap, except malalaman nyo after this quick intro ang kanyang early bird price. Tara, mag-usapan natin. Hi guys, ako si Richmond ng Gadgetsidekick and welcome back to my channel, TECNO POVA 5. Medyo kakaiba ang kanyang box. This time, it's a triangular shape and box, and kita natin, it's a collab with Free Fire. Kaya kita natin, it's really nice ang kanyang box. So, medyo may kunting hawig siya sa TECNO Camon 20 Pro 5G. Medyo may pagka-octagonal or hexagonal, whatever shape yung ganyang camera bump. Medyo natuloy na dito sa POVA 5. Tara, buksan natin. Ito kakaiba siya this time around. Yan. Ito na yung bagong itsura nun. POVA 5. Ito, bagong box, bagong design. Kakaiba lang. Iba lang ito yung unboxing experience dito sa TECNO POVA this time around. Not your usual rectangular box, which is, of course, nothing really special, but ito, kakaiba na siya. Parang siya Toblerone. So, tala natin siya. And upon opening the box, ganito makikita natin ito as POVA 5, plus in the running simulator 2. So, makita natin dito, this is the packaging ng TECNO POVA 5. So, here are some quick specs. Makita natin, 6,000 mAh ng battery, 45 watts ng battery, meron siyang 256 GB of storage, and of course 8 GB of RAM plus 8, another 8 virtual RAM. Then of course 6.78 ang kanyang size ng screen, 120 Hz clear refresh rate. And of course Helio G99 is probably the thing na hindi ako masyadong na-impress na kasi G99 is medyo may pagkaluba ng processor. And of course CCNP ang kanyang camera. Bunutin lang natin, hawak natin dito si colored gold variant. Okay, so looking pretty nice ang kanyang so alam naman natin pag shiny, ginawa ka mo, puro fingerprints na yan, a little bit later. But nevertheless, I would say na it really looks nice and sleek. Na meron siya tatlong color. You have the blue, the black, and of course, ang gold na hawak natin. So sa ilalim kita natin, nandiyan ang loudspeaker, Type-C port, microphone, and of course, kanyang jack. Then on the other side, nandiyan ang kanyang SIM tray. And of course, sa ibabaw nandiyan kanyang loudspeaker. Wala siyang noise cancelling mic pala, by the way. And of course, on the other side, you have your volume rocker, of course, your power button / fingerprint scanner. Buksan natin. So, yeah, magbubuta mo na siya. Check lang natin other stuff inside the box. We have your warranty card, we have your user guide. Meron tayong mga sticker dito na Free Fire and POVA. Meron kang gift code dito. Pag misclass mo, mariredeem mo. Probably magagamit mo sa Free Fire. Kanyang clear na jelly case, kanyang Type-C cable, ang kanyang free headphones, and of course, kanyang 45 watts na fast charging brick. That's everything inside the box. Now, sa aking first impression naman dito, I would say okay naman ganyan 3D. Well, actually, collab with Free Fire. So, makita nyo, yung team natin is Free Fire team. So, swiping left and right, well, actually, smooth naman siya kasi mataas ang mga refresh rate. And one of the things na mapapansin mo is, medyo may pagkamakapala kanya baba. Hindi rin ganun kanipis sa kanyang bezels dito sa gilid. But yung punch hole naman is pretty decent enough. Hindi naman siya ganun kalakihan. Yung clean naman sa kamay is tama lang. Hindi naman siya yung, well, may wow factor. But nevertheless, I would say na sobrang daming fingerprints na right now. Mapapansin nyo talaga. Dito sa aking hawak na unit, it's a bit smudgy. But nevertheless, I would say na, well, maganda kasi maganda. But of course, malalaman natin yung full potential ng G99 now. Well, it's already 2023 and gamit pa rin ni POVA is a G99, which is not really that impressive for me. Pero ang price point niya, ang 8256 with price at 8999. But sa early bird date, doon kayo magugulat, 6899 na to after mga vouchers ay apply nyo sa Shopee. And this will be Shopee exclusive for the meantime. And ipopost ko this on the description box below. And itong phone nito will start selling midnight ng August 3. And yung sale price will be ongoing from August 3 to August 5. And lahat makita nyo sa Shopee link na ipopost natin on the description box below. If you're interested, malaman everything, performance niya, camera niya, and everything down the line dito sa phone nito, stay tuned para sa aking full review nito TECNO POVA 5. So guys, I hope nagustuhan itong video na ito. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, of course, hit nyo yung bell icon para din ninyo sa uploads dito sa aking channel. And so, ako para sa Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's there? Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.